information, give me Drumheller AB. Help me find the party trying to get in touch with me. She could not leave a number, but I know a place to call. So sister took the message and she wrote it on the wall. Help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who called me down Drumheller AB. Home is on the south side, high upon the ridge, just a half a mile from the Drumheller Bridge. So, my job today is to sand this with 220 and then 280 and get all of these little bits and all these scratches out of the back of this and maybe the top. Yeah, I'm seeing metal. It's beautiful. We had to do all that Bondo because it's cab corners and stuff, but most of it's coming off. It's gonna be beautiful. Silicone on the roof. We fight the Dow and get this silicone. It all must go. Derek, how am I supposed to steer it? Woo! Look at that. Steering wheel is out. We'll make it like a whatchamacallit car, Derek? What do they call them? Electric car. Like a Musk. I've been sanding all night, man. It's wet on the wheel. Ignition's out. Steering wheel's out. Holy moly. We've been working hard all day today. Starting to come together. Right, Derek? Looking good, eh, buddy? Yep, coming together. That POR is unbelievable. It's rock solid. Whoop. You see stuff once the paint goes on, hey? So cool. That dent right there just showed up out of nowhere. Never saw that before. How crazy is that? In Hawaii. Woo! This is coming along. Ha! To Hawaii. To Hawaii. Do you remember this band? Anybody from the 70s? Band's called Teenage Head. Crazy name for a band, but whatever. They were brilliant. Anyway, yeah. Things are happening in here. Everything's sanded. So, talked to Derek today, and he said, if I can get this sanded tonight, all sanded down, he says, maybe we can paint the inside and get it close to the point where we're starting assembly the inside, and then we can get it on the frame. What? You know what? Let's go talk to Sergeant 70s here. What do you reckon, dude? Yeah. Motorbikes, man. You gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. I love motorbikes.
Your face, I got your look in my mind. I smell your scent, your perfume's got me blind.